All right, so we try to go to another questions. What's your question was?
シルエット。
Silhouette. So she's talking about the silhouette or the like outline.
Yeah, it's silhouette. Only one side on the voice.
Oh, the microphone. Maybe one die, I guess.
Uh,
Mine's or hers?
Hers is good. That one's red, yours is blue.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so the silhouette mean like an outer line. So you go this one.
Yeah, the outline.
So we call the outline because at this. So you go this, and that one. Did you get it? So even the head's like this one to this one, and that one, and that one. That's like an outline. So
like a
especially for this, like a shadow or a silhouette. That's what silhouette is, yeah. So you go this way to go all the way up, like this. あれ19対6 So you gotta go the squares we're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 16 9.
Rectangle,
Yeah.
16 by 9.
6 by 9.
What's the ratio on most?
Yeah, it's like a gold ratio for the octagonal. No, square. No, not square.
Rectangle.
Huh?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Yeah.
Like rectangle like this. So hand like this. So you gotta remember your elbows. Where your elbow at? あ、そうそうそう、そうだね。このエルボー。こっちは何でもできるよ。バックやっても全然大丈夫。この位置。要はこうやった時に耳つかないとこ。この辺。そのままこうやって伸ばす感じ。ここフィックスポイントです。そのまま伸ばす。そうそうそう、こんな感じ。こうやっても大丈夫。こうやっても大丈夫。この辺やった時のこの肘。これからそのまま伸ばす。ああ、ナイスナイス。で、これまだ曲げて。これで入れない。So she going like this. She passed the 90s. Past the 90s no good. You gotta make sure you're 90 or a little bit above is nice. But it's 90s right there. And just stay there. Is my hands in 90s?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you just go here is good. But go in there, and that one's in. So it's a little weak. You gotta make sure it's there. Yeah. Even go like this. Same thing. You gotta make sure. Don't go like this. That's weak. But sometimes you try to hold it in your heads or something like that.
Yeah.
You're doing it on purpose, like this, that angle, it works. But you gotta try to go like a straight. Make sure you're straight.
Straight there.
Yeah. So that one's elbow positions to this one. This is outline. And going here or above a little bit more outer. So it looks nice this way. Or here. This is like yeah, you have to. And then try to go more dynamic, you go out a little bit. So ちょっと外側。で、こんな感じ。で、下に持っていっても一緒。これこうしたらちょっと弱い。So that's a little weak because you're in. You gotta make sure you're here or like out a little bit. It's still fine. Better than this. You go like this. That's too narrow. You go this, it's fine. But you go this, it's still okay. So that's like an outline here, and then go, and then now it's your shoulder. I've been talking about elbow lines, right? This, or here, or this. Right. And you play around here, there, yeah. Even this, yeah. Right, now bigger. Now you put the footworks, so it's going like this. Like the square idea is this. Yeah. So go like this. This is the foot, right? And then your heads, your elbow or shoulders, like kind of like this. Yeah. So it's kind of like this. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, nice. So go to the front. これ前に見せて前に。はいはいはい。Yeah? Like this, yeah? And move. Yeah. And move. Lower. あ、もっともっと私。あ、そうそうそうそう。でも、lower. あ、そうそうそうそう。Nice, nice. Yeah. That's neat ideas. Yeah. Yeah. So that helps the 16 and 9. Even like this, the same thing, like this.
Ratio 16
Yeah, 16 and 9 is the ratio.
golden ratio is what they
Mhm.
call it,
So even go like this, it's still this one works.
right?
Or like this one works. You play it out like this, it still works because that part of it, that idea is.
Okay.
そうだでこっちと入れてで今度はこっち体の使い方 And then now is a body because body this part is super lazy もうね胸がダメねこの肋骨が弱いSo rib cage is not flexible at all so you try to go pick it up it doesn't go pick it up right so you gotta be deeper more pick it up more like here to pick it up and then you put the hands out even go really straight or not straight it doesn't matter because body was doing it right people think you're dynamic so idea was that you try to pick it up something there この辺触る感じこれ触る感じこうグーってやったやつでこのくらい体伸ばしてで力ちょっと抜くあそうこれ体が入ってたら大丈夫So she did it like this, over a little bit, and then just relax a little bit. But still, body was in there, especially for this part.
Yeah.
So it looks dynamic already. And go to the other side. This, yeah. And have same flex, same kind of stretchiness in there, and go lower. So. ちょっと伸びてるのか。ギュー。また上。Yeah. See, the body was kind of extended a little bit. So that one make the dynamics easy. こんな感じ。わかる？
伸ばす。
そうこっちがこう伸びてる。体が伸びてるんで手曲がってても大丈夫。はい、いいね。そんな感じ、そうね。そうで、これでグーみたいな。はい。ナイス。いいね。足上げても同じ感じ。はい。これギュってなるでしょこっち入れるってなったら。イェーイ So it's good? Alright, you should try it that way. So I hope it helps. いい、OK。はい。
Thank you so much.
はい。バイ。
バイバイ。